Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your domain serves a valid HTTPS certificate and that there are no redirect chains. This is why the OS trusts the link. Next, open your app manifest or entitlements and add the intent filters or associated domains entries for the target URL patterns. Once done, implement a simple handler that parses the incoming URL and routes to the correct screen. Make sure to save and rebuild the app so the OS sees the new association immediately. Now you create and host the association files, asset links, JSON for Android, Apple App Site Association for iOS. Place them at the domain root with the right content type. They must list your app identifiers and allowed path patterns so the platform can match URLs. Once the files are live, use platform verification commands and device logs to confirm the OS fetched and accepted them. If verification fails, inspect the JSON, content type, and HTTPS certificate chain to find the mismatch. Rebuild and install the app, then test by tapping the HTTPS link from a real source like email or a browser. This confirms the OS routes to your app. If the app doesn't open, implement an in-app fallback that opens the URL inside a web view so users still reach content. If problems persist, examine server certificate chain, remove unexpected redirects, verify MIME types for your association files, and read device logs. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals the root.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.